Today I'm presenting one more interesting idea. It may not be new, is that one more alternative to learning. We are right now learning through flashcards, through rewriting our notes again and again. There can be one more way. It is that learning through songs. We all know and we all have seen some videos of history notes or history facts being converted into a song, or geography facts or chemistry facts. So what we can do instead is just upload our notes in this website and ask the user to pick their favorite song, and then the lyrics of the songs will be changed with words from the notes, and then the user can either download it or learn it from the save it in their app and learn it through them. It may be useful to a lot of people or to a lot of areas where rote learning is basically the only way to get through things. You cannot really understand some medical terms or associate some drugs with some diseases. Only rote learning can help you there. So this way of learning might make it more interesting and bearable to learn things. So one concern can be here that what will be the voice of the output, or who will be singing the, or in which voice the song will be after all the lyrics changed into the uploaded notes. It can be of the same singer only. I know we have to get a lot of things will be involved here to get permission and license from the production companies and the singers themselves, because we will be replicating their voices and training one AI model to replicate those voices, or machine learning model or deep learning model. And if the notes are of 2 to 3 pages, then what can be done in that scenario is that either we can ask the user to pick 2 to 3 songs, or we can uh, loop through the same song 3 times 4 times until it covers all the notes. So yes, it's one more idea. If you're interested to build something upon it, do let me know, because I'm also interested to learn some practical ML skills, some practical deep learning stuff, because I'm also a student right now and I want to build something good, something new, something interesting, which can be, useful to some students. Because as a student I have been there where I had to do a lot of rote learning, and my god, it was really difficult. So I thought of this idea. So if anybody is working in on that, please do let me know, and let's make something interesting together. Thank you.